Hi guys, Mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. For today's makeup video, we're gonna be doing this look. I'm also gonna be doing a mini review of the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Eyeshadow, as well as the E.L.F Flawless Finish Foundation. So if you guys want to hear my opinion and first impression about it, please stay tuned. So first things first guys, we're gonna be starting off with my favorite primer. This one is Soft Ochre by MAC. We're just gonna be applying this all over our lid. For this makeup tutorial, I'm gonna be using my Huda Beauty Nude Palette. I'm gonna be taking the shade right here, which is Tickle, and apply this on my crease. The next eyeshadow that I'm going to be using is this color right here, and it's called Love Bite. I'm going to be applying this on the outer V of my eyes. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to be taking my Matte and Metal Melted Shadows in the shade Wednesday and apply this on my lid. I'm gonna be taking a flat brush to blend everything out. Make sure you guys are applying a little bit because a small amount goes a long way. I'm gonna go back with Love Bite again and just deepen my outer corners a bit more. I'm gonna be taking Froyo, which is a pink metallic color, and just apply this on my lid. Make sure you're starting a small amount because if you layer too much of this, it starts to get flaky. For my eyeliner, I'm gonna be using Inglotch Gel Liner in number 77. Make sure your angled brush is nice and flat, that way you can create that sharp wing. I noticed that the metallic eyeshadow makes it a little bit harder for me to apply my eyeliner. So keep in mind that when you apply a really thick layer, that your eyeliner might not go smoothly. For my foundation, I'm gonna be testing out this E.L.F Flawless Finish Foundation. I'm in the shade Honey. It has a really strong scent, so if you guys don't like that, I won't recommend this foundation for you. But it doesn't smell bad or anything. I think this foundation is a little bit too light. I'm not sure if this is gonna oxidize, but I'll make it work. I wanted to try out their Camel Concealer, but unfortunately they were already sold out with a lot of their shades. So for now, I'm gonna be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to highlight. To bake, I'm gonna be using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm gonna be taking a fluffy brush and just use this to set my face. I'm gonna be taking Milani's Break Bronzer in Soleil. And I'm just applying this on my temples, the hollows of my cheeks, and my jawline. I'm gonna finish up the eyes. I'm gonna be taking Tickle, which is this color right here, and apply this on my lower lash. I'm gonna take Love Bite, which is this color, and just focusing this on the outer corners of my waterline. I'm taking a nude liner and just apply this on my waterline. You guys know that I can't live without my inner corner highlight, so I'm taking the shade Crave right here and just pop it on my inner corners. I'm gonna use Huda bronzer by Benefit to contour my nose. I'm now gonna dust off the translucent powder, and I'm also softening the nose contour. For my highlight, I'm using Ofra Cosmetics in the shade Glow Goals. I'm also gonna be applying a little bit of this on the tip of my nose. For blush, I'm using Milani in the shade Berry Amore. I'm gonna be outlining my lips with Whirl Lip Liner. I'm gonna pair that with Fenty Beauty's Uncuffed Liquid Lipstick. For my lashes, I'm gonna be using Lily Lashes in the style Opulence. I'm gonna top this off with MAC's Fix Plus. Smells so good. Alrighty guys, this is our final look. Now for my final thoughts, let's start off with the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Eyeshadows. The matte eyeshadow is really great to cut my crease. You don't need to use a concealer anymore. For the metallic glitter, I find that it starts breaking apart if you overlayer it. But I think that goes with any glitter eyeshadow like the Stila. If you overdo it or overlayer it, it starts getting cakey. Alrighty guys, for the foundation, for $6, you can't beat that. It gives you a full coverage. The only downside about it is the scent. So if you don't like that heavy scent, then I won't recommend it. But so far, so good. I do like the coverage that it gives me. They have a pretty good range of shades as well. But yeah, I really like this. For $6, it's really good. That's it for our video guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and make sure to hit the notification bell. That way you can get updated every time I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.